Hello everyone, this is your friend Ashutosh Dwivedi and you're most welcome guys on my YouTube channel Ashu Official 2021. So be happy, be positive and be optimistic towards learning anything new in your life. So that today I'm gonna ask few questions to myself and this will be really interesting because the question is all about the pets. So I think it will be good for the watchers and it will be good for me as well to I think give an answer about the questions. So the first question is I think, do you have a pet? What do you think? Do you have a pet or not? If I think this is the question all about me, so I'm gonna give an answer. I don't have a pet. It means not really. I don't have a pet. So this is all about my answer. I think your answer can be different from my answer because I don't have a pet, but you people can have a pet as well. So I can say that the second question is, do you like animals? Do you like animals or not? So I mean to say that if I think I do like animals, few animals and the pets I do like I like very much the rat, white rats, and I do like rabbits, and I do like kitten. This kind of animals I do like. I mean to say that my answer is yes, of course I do like animals. So the third question is, what's your favorite animal? What's your favorite animal? So the answer is, my favorite animal, can you guess guys? I think what can it be? If you like, okay, so just be, I'm gonna tell you that my favorite animal is rabbit. I do like white rabbits. Very I think awesome and stupendous. They are looking so awesome. So I do like I think rabbits. So this is my I think favorite animal. So the fourth question is, what is popular pet to have in your country? What is a popular pet to have in a country, your country? I mean to say that we Indians do like very much like rabbits and the rats, turtle and kittens. This kind of I think popular. I think nowadays I think the people they would like to go with the rabbits and they would like to go with the kittens as well. So this is the kind of popular pets in my country. So you can also write your own I think pets in your I think country, whatever it is popular. In my country mostly the people they are going with like rabbits, kittens, turtle and white rats. So the I think fifth question is all about, did you have a pet as a child? Not really. No, I don't have a pet yet as well, and as a child as well there was no pet in my home. So this is all about my answer. Your answer can be different. You can tell if you do have a pet as a child. You can write in the comment below. And the fifth I think last question, sixth question, why do people have pets? This is really an interesting question. I think this is all about the interest of the people. Why do people have pets? So I'm gonna give answer like the people they want to enjoy with the pets, and even whenever they are feeling free at that time they want to talk to the pets, they want to do the fun, they want to play with them. So it is all about I think the attachment, and the second thing, they want to pass their time whenever they are free, they want to play and they want to enjoy, and because of course the pets are really beautiful, so that's why they want to I think they want to have the pets in their home. A lot more people I do like as well, but I don't have. So but of course I think the second thing, if you're talking about this, so second thing, it matters a lot. You have to care a lot about the pets because they are totally dependent on you. So it means if you are keeping a pet, so it is not all about just you are playing with them and all you are giving only the time for the playing and doing enjoy and fun with them. But the second thing, you have to care about them a lot. 24/7 they are dependent on you, so you have to give the time, you have to give food on time, and you have to understand I think how they are feeling, because they can't speak like human beings. After that also we have to understand the feelings of them. If they are hungry, we have to give food to them. So that's why, but the people who are free and so that's why, and they have a lot more leisure time, that's why they would like to keep a pet in their home. So that's why then they can do care about them. So it is all about answer, I think. So in the last, I would like to say to guys, if you are liking this kind of content, if you do have the, I think, topics as well, so please do write topics and I will make videos over that kind of topics, and I will ask questions to myself, so it will be better for you guys to know. So in the last, I would like to do a request. Please do subscribe my YouTube channel if you are thinking the content is really valuable for you. So thank you, and many thanks to you. Bye bye, take care.